welcome, guys. As we pull forward, we're going to go into one of these yellow boxes to the left or the right and stop right before that checkered line.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, I guess. You gonna win? You gonna win?
I'll try to.
Perfect. Y'all are naturals. We got a few quick rules for you while we get all our racers up here. Number 1, keep both hands on the wheel. Number 2, no crashing or bumping. And number 3, have fun. All right, our race is going to begin in 3, 2, 1, and go, 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 go.
We got number 10 in first place, rocking it down the track. We got number 5 and 11 neck and neck behind him, going for that second place spot. Those are 8 laps. There's 7 more to go. We have 7 good laps left to go. We got number 48 and number 20 going into second and third, right above number 5 and 11. What a turn of events, folks. I could have never predicted this in a million years.
Guys, we have 6 laps left to go. We have 6 laps left. Number 10 still going strong, but number 48 is coming up on him from behind. Oh my goodness, I think he's going to take the first place spot for himself. We got 11 and 22 rocking into the back here, folks. They just said it for the love of the race. They just love the game. Guys, we have 5 laps left to go. We have 5 incredible laps left to go. Number 10 still going strong. We got number 20 trying to pull in second, right above number 48 there. You can do it, number 20, I believe. Looking at the ground in that corner, folks. Perfect speed. I've never seen anything like it. We have 4 laps left to go. We're halfway done with this race. We are halfway done with this race. 4 down, 4 to go. Fast and mini golf, lost in space, the scrambler. Oh my goodness, rocking down the track. We have 3 laps left to go. We have 3 triple laps left. Number 10 and 20 are neck and neck right now. He's hot on his tail, ladies and gentlemen. He's hot on his tail. You can do it, number 20, I believe you. Folks, we're coming up on the home stretch. We have 2 laps left to go. We have 2 laps left, and number 10 is still going short there, but number 20 is doing everything they can to pass him up here. Please manage to manage it. Folks, the white flag is up, the white flag is up. I'm not going to tell you that, number 10, but he's bumping into you from behind if that does anything. You can do it, folks. I believe you, number 20. Oh, 48 comes in, clutches up the second place spot. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a race on our hands. And well done, number 10. Good job, number 48, number 20. Honorable mentions. Go ahead and take a victory lap for me. As I slow down your cars, very fast, we're going to go to this right side of the track, pull into the right, stop right before that checkered line there. Perfect. Y'all were on it. Perfect. Y'all can pull up. Right bumper to bumper. Anyone. We're going to wait just 1 quick second here, then we'll get it all in there. Good job, number 10. Good job, number 48, number 20. Our second and third places. We should have won, but you know, one of the, you guys are good to start pulling forward. We're going to go to the right pit lane here. Just follow number 10's lead. It's going to take a wide turn, take around the corner well. Thank you guys so much for racing with us.
It's fun. I got to fight people. Oh boy.